Oh hey, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Lowe & Company. Today we're in the showroom and we're going to spotlight RKI's heavy duty toolboxes. An RKI heavy duty toolbox will help you maximize productivity on the job and minimize the time wasted to find that one little tool. So let's check it out. First things first, the ample amount of storage space in this toolbox is amazing, allowing you to bring multiple types of gear and tools to get any job done. And organization is easy with the convenient built-in toolbox tray. The tray slides along the track and has a convenient stop in the center of the toolbox that keeps it in place while the vehicle's in motion. A C-Series toolbox is made of 14 gauge steel and is strong enough to hold a 1-ton truck or 4 of your beer drinking buddies. While the thick steel protects the outside of the box, weather seals, rubber gaskets, and the solid one-piece lid protect expensive items on the inside. Full-size stainless steel paddle latches located on either side of the box are easy to grab onto and come with integrated locks to deter theft. These latches are conveniently recessed into the ends of the boxes and are synchronized to allow locking or opening from either side of the vehicle. RKI offers their boxes in 2 different material constructions. They have steel and aluminum. This steel model right here has a white powder coat finish. They also offer their steel models in a black powder coat finish like here, and their aluminum models come in a bright diamond plate or a black diamond plate. The aluminum RKI boxes boast the same great dependability as the steel RKI boxes. They're just lighter and feature a sealed gas shock instead of the spring assist shock for the lids. The RKI C-Series toolboxes come in multiple depths, standard or deep. If you're looking to seriously step up your work truck or fleet vehicle, then pair one of these toolboxes with an RKI headache rack and some LED lighting. Thanks for watching today as we spotlighted RKI's heavy-duty toolboxes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to tune in every Friday for new products, installations, and spotlights like this.